Okay, this is at True Homes. This is in Walnut Creek. True Homes is the builder of these townhomes. This is 6539 and 6535 Kinder Lane. These will both be ready in early September. She said the first or second week in September. This is to give you an idea what the finished product looks like. So they all have hardy plank siding. It looks like with stone features above the garage. So nice looking townhomes. They have 2-car garages. I'm gonna walk inside one of them, give you an idea what the floor plan looks like. Now obviously this is not finished, so the flooring, this is just gonna give us an idea of the floor plan. So coming in from the garage, this is likely a drop zone to the left and a closet to the right. Another closet over here, and then a half bath. And then backing up on the right hand side, this is the kitchen. So it looks like there's a center island. There's going to be a center island here with a sink and let me see, sink and dishwasher. So you can see how the lines sink right here where the pipe is, and then DW is for dishwasher right beside it. So this is, I'm in your kitchen right now. And then this is gonna be the living area. So it's kind of hard to see because I have all these boxes in here. And then another room over here that has access to the patio. That's probably the dining room right there. This seems like a hallway space. You have a concrete slab patio, and these back up to the woods, so your lot will go back to where you see right here where the end of the dirt is. And then back there is just going to be woods, so it'll be nice and quiet back behind. That was coming in through the garage. If you come in from the front door, you're going to come in, you have stairs to the left, and then the living area or the kitchen right here, and then the living area back there. Taking a look at upstairs. So a really big loft, good sized loft up here. And this is gonna be the master bedroom. This is a good sized bedroom here. Closet. Bathroom, dual sink vanity, closet, walk-in closet here, and then shower and tub on that wall. Back out into the loft. So here, this will be your washer and dryer, so your laundry is going to be upstairs. It's got a good sized laundry room. That's access to your HVAC. So that wall will probably be closed off. Then you have a hallway bath, so a full bath, bathtub, linen closet, and then the counter will be there and the toilet over there. And then 2 more bedrooms up here. Pretty good sized bedroom there, probably about 12 by 12, 13 by 13, and then a larger bedroom here. So that's what the inside looks like. I'm gonna see if I can get inside one of them that's finished. All right, so this is gonna be one, the siding is already up, so I think this one's gonna be finished. See if we can go through the front door. If not, we'll go through the garage. This is what your front porch looks like. Yep, that door is locked. And this one's already sold. So they haven't moved in yet, but the house has already been sold. All right, so you can see the flooring. So this one has like a dark luxury vinyl plank floor. And this looks like the same floor plan as the other one. So This gives you an idea. So there's your kitchen, the granite countertops, dishwasher, sink, gray cabinetry. So you're getting a gas range stove, stainless steel appliances. This one has white cabinets, so the island was gray, but the cabinets are white with that white subway tile backsplash. Nook for your refrigerator. And this is the living area here. Let me back up so you can get a better view from the kitchen. So this is the room with all the boxes and that one that wasn't finished. And then I was wondering what this room is right here in the other house. So they have cabinets and a desk built in, so like a little office area. And then this is the dining room. And this is what the back patio looks like. They'll put sod down, so they'll put down the grass, so you'll have grass in the backyard. They put it up to the back where you see the weeds, and it looks like they planted some loblolly pines as well. So those will grow up and you'll have some trees there in your backyard. All right, I'm gonna go upstairs now. So downstairs is all luxury vinyl plank floor. Coming upstairs, it's gonna be carpeted. And here's the loft. And I'll go right to left this time. So here's the laundry room. So they put in a shelf here for you, so that's pretty nice. You have a folding table, washer and dryer. Okay, and you do have access to a little bit of attic storage. And that's also for the HVAC people to come over when they need to. So that's a really big laundry room. This is a finished version of that hallway closet. And the two secondary bedrooms, number 1 and number 2. So this is the exact same layout as the one next door. I think they're all pretty much the same on the inside. So this is the master bedroom, really big. Tile floor in the bathroom. And then there's your dual sink vanity. Here's your walk-in closet. And your stand-up tub and shower. So that's what that looks like. Yeah, so that's what the finished product will end up looking like. So hopefully that helps.